Where are the chocolate eggs?
It's Easter night. The Easter rabbit is coming to my house to hide chocolate eggs.
It's Easter morning. Let's look for the Easter eggs.
Look in the garden. Where are the chocolate eggs?
Look in the living room. Where are the chocolate eggs?
Look in the kitchen. Where are the chocolate eggs?
Look in the bedroom. Where are the chocolate eggs?
Look in the dining room. Where are the chocolate eggs?
Look in the bathroom. Where are the chocolate eggs?
I found my chocolate eggs.
Thank you, Easter Rabbit.